Kritika. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very tasty coriander rice. Now let me show you the ingredients that we need for this recipe. Coriander, onions, bay leaves, black cumin seeds, 1.5 tablespoons of oil, 1.5 tablespoons of ghee, salt according to your taste, garam masala according to your taste, ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 chilies, some raw rice to make the rice, and then some water. Now take a blender and add some of the chilies into it, and then coriander, and blend it all together. After blending, this is how it looks. Now I'm going to keep it aside and take a pressure cooker. First add the ghee into it. Then the oil. And the bay leaves and the black cumin seeds. Then add the chopped onions. And the rest of the chili. Now add the ginger garlic paste. Now add the mixture that we made earlier in the blender. I'm going to fry it till all the water evaporates and there's a nice aroma. Now add the raw rice. I have cleaned it and soaked it too. Now add the salt into it. Then the garam masala and mix it together. After mixing, add the water. Now I'm going to close the lid and wait for 2 whistles. Opening the lid. Just see the steam coming right up. Now mix it well and transfer it into a bowl, and then the rice will be ready. The rice is ready. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and family. Don't forget to see my other videos. Bye.